We are sewing for 24 hours. Everything we're making, we are selling, and all the proceeds, as well as the donations, are all going towards Mind and Mental Health Charity. Here we are in the room. We have got Anna at the back there, Julie, Alton's also around, and this is going to be all of our homes for the next 24 hours.
I'm doing a lot more talking than sewing at the moment, so we'll see. This is always my problem.
It's the new Craft House Girls! Is that a hint, guys, of what you might be sewing? It was. Hello!
How's it going? How are you bearing up?
Slower than we thought. So I thought I was going to make 10 dresses.
I know you did. That would be like sewing bee speed.
Sewing has been incredible for so many people and their mental health, and I think that this is a way we can thank sewing for that support. For helping us. We have raised so far £1,208. No one here, so it's fine. Robbie Williams, James Corden, Prince Harry. Definitely I'm avoiding James Corden.
He snog Prince Harry and marry Robbie Williams.
Da 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 da! Look at that. So we have a very exciting person that is going to come on a live with us now. Yay! Hello, Patrick.
That is lovely. It's a thing of beauty. If I was Esme, I'd probably have something bad to say about it, but of course you've got the nice judge on here. He doesn't want to dial in to watch lunatics sewing in the middle of the night.
It's a marathon, it's not a sprint. Oh my gosh, there's pizza.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
The room is much quieter now, but everyone's okay. We're just sort of reserved energy.
It's really refreshing.
It's really refreshing.
We're at
£3,000! Okay, if we get to £4,000, Alma's going to sing and I'm going to be a backing dancer. We have made £4,000.
Questa stanza non ha più pareti ma alberi.
Here we are, 4 a.m. We are back, 5 a.m. No, you know nothing, Jon Snow. We've been sewing for 21 hours. £6,000! Thank you so much. Bye guys, we're going to put a special treat up for you, and we're all going to go to sleep, so please don't email us. Okay, bye! The sewing community rocks. It does, Laurie. It really does.